Hello and welcome back to the Money Tickle News Hour. Since the internet has become a part of our lives, among so many ingredients, freelancing marketplaces have stormed into the scene and have radically changed how we perceive exchanging value. Now, in midst of the pandemic, we have grown to recognize the dynamic of work and income source in a totally unique way. In the last decade, the uprising has been, astounding to say the least. Nearly half of the workforce of the United States of America has freelanced in 2020. That's over a 20% increase since 2013. One of the fastest growing freelance marketplaces is GOVABOSS. It is designed to match people with any kind of skill or handwork with people who are in desperate need of the services. With the slogan of "Become the Boss Now," they are set to service a wide range of services, backed up by an incredibly powerful online presence. Joining with us live now is William Dexter, speaking for GOVABOSS. Thank you very much for joining us, William.
Happy to be here, Beth.
GOVABOSS is one of the most hyped about topics in the country right now. Many experts are saying that GOVABOSS could be, the next big thing. What's the secret?
Well, the hype is legit. Because we are aware that there are several large and individual freelancers in the online community, which is why we spend time and resources to conduct thorough feasibility studies and market surveys with state-of-the-art technology. GOVABOSS understands the heart of the employment seekers, and we are determined to offer a wide range of freelance and other related services for the mostly unemployed and average people. We will connect service buyers or service consumers to service providers through our online marketplace platform. The GOVABOSS ecosystem is a modern freelance marketplace which will provide a simplified platform for freelancers, professionals, all-around experts, consultants, legal advisors, medical advisors, financial advisors, skillful individuals, and talented people in and across the whole world. At GOVABOSS, our service consumers' best interest comes first, and everything we do is guided by our values and professional ethics. We ensure that we enroll only professionals and committed service providers who are well experienced in a wide variety of fields. We will at all times demonstrate our commitment to sustainability, both individually and as a firm, by actively participating in our communities and integrating sustainable business practices wherever possible. And all of these elements position us ahead of the game to favorably compete with all our competitors.
Whoa, I liked your energy and how you said that. Okay, let's start from the basics. What sort of service providers are you looking forward to platforming?
A lot. I mean, it's only limited by your imagination. There are fashion designers, makeup artists, mechanics, software developers, website designers, AI specialists, technicians, plumbers, graphic designers, painters, artists, barbers, hairstylists, event planners, tailors, ICT experts, caterers. It's a lot.
Whoa, that's a big deal. I'm sure such a huge pool of service providers are going to be linked up with the appropriate service consumers and business owners, right?
Absolutely. Being an end-to-end service acquisition platform, we link thousands of freelancers worldwide with business owners who require the services of individual and independent professionals to help them support their work when they come to GOVABOSS.com. Hence, companies will face no trouble whatsoever finding the right fit for their available projects. Our platform effectively connects startups and enterprises to a global pool of top freelancers and top tech talents, to full-stack developers, to software engineers and other engineers who work with software technologies. All the freelancers in our directory are top tier, making it easy for companies to hire the best of the best. We help thousands of people find great jobs and love what they do every day. by offering the best freelancers job opportunities. We believe in the power of flexible workforce, temporary talents, extended workspace, contingent labor, and independent professional contractors.
Great. So, what you're saying is you've got the work cut out for both the service consumers and the service providers.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about growth. How can a freelancer get going on GOVABOSS?
Well, we are the ideal place for the largest job finders pool, where freelancers can market their services at highly competitive rates. While ensuring our freelancers only work for legitimate employers, we let you secure the best of the best deals. According to some statistic, 68% of freelancers claim to have started working independently in the last 5 years, and an equal percentage of freelancers said their quality of life has improved since going independent. The average income for full-time freelancers in the US is $68,300, which is higher than the average household income. Plus, 65% of freelancers agree that having a diversified portfolio of income from multiple clients is more secure than having one employer. You'll get a platform to showcase your work at zero cost while improving your creative knowledge with its content planner to get more work done efficiently. GOVABOSS.com is the best platform if you want to become a freelancer or an independent services provider with no limits or boundaries to number of customers or clients or location of your customers. We are helping the best talents find, grow, and support their most valuable resource. We offer tools so that you can kickstart your freelance journey with collaborative space and a built-in invoice maker.
Makes sense. That is some serious statistics there. Speaking of income potentials, how do payments work at GOVABOSS?
Great question. GOVABOSS is involved with providing an online platform for service buyers or service consumers to meet the right service providers and for service provider too to find the buyers. Buyers should take buying decisions based on the feedback ratings and reviews left by other previous customers of any particular service provider. Now, GOVABOSS serves as an escrow or go-between which holds the payments to the service provider until the service buyer is satisfied with this provider's service. In addition, the buyer has the right to either approve the provider's service or dispute it if he or she is not pleased with the delivered job. And at that point, our dispute resolution experts will quickly swing into action to mediate and amicably resolve the matter in such a way that everyone goes home happy. Payment for freelance workers and freelance work also depends on industry, skills, and experience. Freelancers may charge by the day, hourly, fixed rate, or on a per project basis. Instead of a flat rate or fee, some freelancers can also adopt a value-based pricing method based on the perceived value of the results to the client.
Understandable. So that's a win-win situation for both the service buyers and the service providers.
Right.
Great. Is there any contract signing involved?
Well, yes, depending on the industry, freelancing work practices vary and have changed over time. In some industries, such as consulting, freelancers may require clients to sign written contracts. Some freelancers may work voluntarily without payment or do work on spec to build their reputation or a relationship with a publication. Some freelancers may provide written estimates of work and request deposits from clients.
Sounds solid. Lastly, what do you want to tell the freelancers seeking employment opportunities?
From all available statistics, it is safer to say that online freelance business is growing steadily. And despite the competitive nature of the industry, it is growing steadily. One thing is certain, If you are well positioned on the GOVABOSS platform and have the required business skills, network, and good testimonial from clients, you may likely not have to struggle to compete favorably in the online freelance services industry.
Fantastic. The approach GOVABOSS has taken is action-biased and inspiring. I'm sure everyone is going to be benefiting from such a well-planned initiative. Thank you again for joining us on the Money Tickle News Hour, William.
It's an honor being here, Beth.
I'm confident all viewers around the world are as inspired and motivated as I am after this talk. In midst of the pandemic, we all need every helping hand that we can get, showcase who we are, and be a game changer. Because from my personal experience, I can tell you, you have no idea how many lives would be positively changed because of you, and how many would love to see you putting your best foot forward on the GOVABOSS platform. I'm your host, Beth Kimberly, and we will see you next time on the Money Tickle News Hour.